Hi, I'm Jen, and today I want to show you how to create an Instagram puzzle in Canva. It really is super easy and fun. First, you're going to click Create a Design, then Custom Size, and enter in your custom size of 3240 by 3240. When your screen comes up, you're going to name your workspace up at the top. This way you can save it later and not forget that you needed to name it. From here, I'm going to go over to the left side of the Canvas screen, and where it says Elements, click Elements, and you're first going to search for a grid, a 3x3 grid that will give you 9 squares. So it's kind of towards the bottom in the middle, and you can tell because it's 3x3 and all the squares look pretty much the same size. I actually did try searching like 3x3 or 9 squares, and I didn't quite get what I wanted to find, so it's just easiest to scroll down and find your 9 squares, your 3x3. All right, next, because we're actually not going to use that photo grid, you're going to go up to File and go to Show Rulers and Show Guides. Then I want to draw lines across the grid. Go up to the bar where the arrows kind of make a double-sided arrow and it makes a blue line. You're going to click that and draw it down and as well as over until each line is over the other line. Okay, once you've done this, you have all your lines drawn. You're going to click the grid and then click Delete on your keyboard. So now it shows you that you have these lines across and lines going down. You won't always have this. If you were to save this now, the lines don't appear on what you've saved. All right, from here, you can go into Canva and search Instagram posts and pick a template that you want to use. Or in this case, I'm just going to pick some elements and show you how you can add your own elements and then just create a quick backlay. The thing is, you kind of need to have a plan on what you're going to do before you add your elements. Like here, I'm just adding different things to show you how it would break apart in the different squares. But really, with each square, you want to know, okay, well, this day I'm going to schedule this post, and I'm including this because it would make sense. So maybe you want to include quotes and engagement posts and maybe how-to tips, different things that you can have in each square that would make sense. Especially with creating I think of it as creating a story in the background. That's what your puzzle is. You're creating a story. So in each story, you're kind of elaborating on that story. So here I'm just adding different shapes. I'm going through Canva, searching the different elements, changing colors. You can do whatever you want. It's like building a normal Instagram post. But once you've built your post, you're actually going to save it and then export it into a different app that will kind of split your photo up into different sections. So here I'm just searching and I'm going to add a photo to my circle frame. And you can see that with each frame that I add, I'm going to add a photo to that. Kind of breaking it apart. And because this is just a demonstration, I didn't go as elaborate as I would have and put in different text into each square. But as I said, you want to make sure that each square in your puzzle will make sense when you post it. Okay, you don't want just a big blob in a square and then nothing to say about that blob. All right, I copied my text just to show you, okay, well, maybe in this one I put a quote, and up here I put an engagement post, something about you. All right, after that, I'm going to go up to save. So I'm going to go to download. I'm going to just save it as a PNG for now and click download. Once my image downloads to my desktop, I am going to, just to show you, I'm going to open that up real quick. I'm going to go to pinetools.com/split image. I used this desktop application. I also tried it with an app on my phone called PhotoSplit, and that worked just as well. From the PhotoSplit app, I could then schedule it from there as well. All right, here I'm just uploading my image. And over to the right, I click both where it says grid. I'm just going to leave it as a JPEG. Here, I want to break it up into 3 by 3. All right, once I hit split image, you can see over to the left that it put each photo and named it row 1, row 2, row 3. And you want to be sure that when you actually upload these to Instagram, that you've uploaded them correctly in the correct order. All right, I thank you for watching our little how to add a puzzle to Instagram. And any questions, let me know. Thanks.